Praxis 5001 Test Questions and Answers PDF. Question 1. What is the value of 3/4 plus 2/3? Option A, 5/7. Option B, 5/12. Option C, 17/12. Option D, a 1 and 5/12. The correct answer is option D, 1 and 5/12. Question 2. Sound travels fastest through. Option A, air. Option B, water. Option C, solids. Option D, vacuum. The correct answer is option C, solids. Question 3. The Earth's seasons are caused by. Option A, distance from the sun. Option B, the tilt of Earth's axis. Option C, the moon's orbit. Option D, solar flares. The correct answer is option B, the tilt of Earth's axis. Question 4. A food chain always begins with. Option A, a consumer. Option B, a decomposer. Option C, the son or a producer. Option D, an herbivore. The correct answer is option C, the son or a producer. Question 5. A triangle with sides of 3, 4, and 5 units is classified as. Option A, equilateral. Option B, isosceles. Option C, scalene and right. Option D, equilateral and acute. The correct answer is option C, scalene and right. Question 6. The energy of motion is called. Option A, potential energy. Option B, chemical energy. Option C, kinetic energy. Option D, thermal energy. The correct answer is option C, kinetic energy. Question 7. The study of word origins is called. Option A, morphology. Option B, etymology. Option C, phonology. Option D, syntax. The correct answer is option B, etymology. Question 8. A student writes repetitive short sentences. This writing would benefit most from instruction in. Option A, spelling. Option B, sentence combining / variety. Option C, punctuation. Option D, capitalization. The correct answer is option B, sentence combining / variety. Question 9. A class of 24 students has a ratio of boys to girls of 3 to 5. How many boys are in the class? Option A, 8. Option B, 9. Option C, 12. Option D, 15. The correct answer is option B, 9. Question 10. Which sentence uses correct subject-verb agreement? Option A. The group of students are going on a field trip. Option B. Each of the children have a book. Option C. Neither the teacher nor the students were late. Option D. The news are good. The correct answer is option C. Neither the teacher nor the students were late. Question 11. The human body maintains a stable internal temperature through. Option A, osmosis. Option B, homeostasis. Option C, photosynthesis. Option D, of fermentation. The correct answer is option B, homeostasis. Question 12. Which river is the longest in the United States? Option A, Mississippi River. Option B, Colorado River. Option C, Missouri River. Option D, Ohio River. The correct answer is option C, Missouri River. Question 13. In the word unhappily, the prefix is. Option A, un. Option B, unha. Option C, ily. Option D, del y. The correct answer is option A, un. Question 14. Round 6,749 to the nearest hundred. Option A, 6,700. Option B, 6,800. Option C, 6,750. Option D, 6,740. The correct answer is option A, 6,700. Question 15. Which shows the associative property of multiplication? Option A, 3x4 equals 4x3. Option B, 3x, 4x5 equals 3x4, x5. Option C, 3x1 equals 3. Option D, 3x, 4 plus 5, equals 3x4 plus 3x5. The correct answer is option B, 3x, 4x5 equals 3x4, x5. Question 16. Which of the following contains a simile? Option A. The classroom was a zoo. Option B. Her smile was as bright as the sun. Option C. The wind whispered through the trees. Option D. I've told you a million times. The correct answer is option B. Her smile was as bright as the sun. Question 17. Who was the president during the Civil War? Option A. Andrew Jackson. Option B. Abraham Lincoln. Option C. Ulysses S. Grant. Option D. Thomas Jefferson. The correct answer is option B. Abraham Lincoln. Question 18. During guided reading, a teacher prompts a student to look at the picture and think about what would make sense. This strategy is called option A. Phonics cueing. Option B. Syntactic cueing. Option C. Semantic cueing. Option D. Graphophonic cueing. The correct answer is option C. Semantic cueing. Question 19. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Option A. Coal. Option B. Natural gas. Option C. Solar energy. Option D. Petroleum. The correct answer is option C. Solar energy. Question 20. Which word is spelled incorrectly? Option A. Receive. Option B. Achieve. Option C. Conceive. Option D. Believe. The correct answer is option C. Conceive.